Hey guys, welcome to the Gadget Lab. In this video, we are going to check out 5 best 4K Wi-Fi dash cam. Please subscribe to the channel, click the bell icon, and many thanks to those who have already subscribed. If you like the video, don't forget to like and comment. Let's get started with the video. Number 5 on our list is Vantru Element1 Pro. Specifications: brand name, Vantru. Aperture, f1.8. Screen ratio, 4:3. View angle, 158 degrees. Camera resolution, 3840 by 2160. Number of lenses, 1. Imaging sensor, Sony Starvis 2 IMX678. Pixels, 800 mega. Display size, 3 inches. Chipset manufacturer, Novatech. Display, IPS. Warranty, 18 months. Number 4 on our list is Dashcam Dual Lens. Specifications: brand name, Ongo. View angle, 170 degrees. Camera resolution, 3840 by 2160. Max external memory, 512 GB. Number of lenses, 2. Imaging sensor, Sony Starvis 2 IMX678. Pixels, 1800 mega. GPS logger, internal. Battery, built-in. Chipset manufacturer, HiSilicon. Display, IPS. Interface, AVN, USB 2.0, Wi-Fi, micro SD/DF. Number 3 on our list is DDPAI Dashcam Z50 Pro. Specifications: brand name, DDPAI. Aperture, f1.8. View angle, 143 degrees. Camera resolution, 3840 by 2160. Max external memory, 512 GB. Number of lenses, 1. Display size, 3. Chipset manufacturer, SigmaStar. Display, IPS. Imaging sensor, GC8613. Warranty, 1 year. Number 2 on our list is Asdome M550 Pro. Specifications: brand name, Asdome. Aperture, 1.8. Screen ratio, 16:9. View angle, 150 degrees. Camera resolution, 3840 by 2160. Max external memory, 256 GB. Number of lenses, 3. Imaging sensor, GC4653. Pixels, 800 mega. Display size, 3 inches to 5 inches. Chipset manufacturer, Novatech. Display, IPS. Warranty, 1 year. Weight, 0.35 kg. Number 1 on our list is Red Tiger F9. Specifications: brand name, Red Tiger. Aperture, f1.55. View angle, 130 degrees to 170 degrees. Camera resolution, 3840 by 2160. Max external memory, 256 GB. Number of lenses, 1. Imaging sensor, Sony IMX335. Pixels, 1800 mega. Display size, 3 inches to 5 inches. GPS logger, external. Chipset manufacturer, HiSilicon. Display, LCD. Interface, USB 2.0, Type-C. Warranty, 1 year. Weight, 0.7 kilograms.